Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a short movie using an easy method. First, let's plan. Begin by defining your core idea and who you want to watch it. Then, outline your story with a simple beginning, middle, and end. Finally, create a basic shot list and gather your essential equipment, like a smartphone or a simple camera. This foundational planning saves you a lot of time later on. Now, let's talk about capturing your footage. For great visuals, always try to use natural light. It's often the best and free option. When framing your shots, remember the rule of thirds to create more engaging compositions. And critically, ensure your audio is clear. Even a simple external microphone can make a huge difference, making your film much more professional and enjoyable to watch. Once you have your footage, it's time to edit. Start by importing all your clips into your preferred editing software. The key here is conciseness. Cut out anything that doesn't serve your story. Aim for a final film that is perhaps 2 to 5 minutes long. Finally, enhance the mood and impact by adding appropriate background music and sound effects. This brings your story to life. You're almost there. Before sharing, give your film one final review. Watch it through a few times, checking for any small errors or areas for improvement. Once you are happy, export your video in a high-quality format, such as 1080 pixels. Then, it's time to share your hard work. Upload it to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo and let the world see your short movie. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.